It is a big push against big oil. On social media, Governor Gavin Newsom's gone on the offensive, explaining why his state, California, is suing 5 major oil companies. He wants them, and not taxpayers, to pay for how fossil fuels have contributed to climate change.
In a 90-day period, net profit $63 billion. They don't have your back.
On the governor's website, Newsom said the state is suing ExxonMobil, Shell, BP, ConocoPhillips, Chevron, as well as the American Petroleum Institute for deceiving the public and downplaying the risk of fossil fuels.
For more than 50 years, big oil has been lying to us, covering up the fact that they've long known how dangerous the fossil fuels they produce are for our planet. California taxpayers shouldn't have to foot the bill.
The 135-page lawsuit filed by California's Attorney General seeks damages from the oil industry for them to pay into a fund that would compensate victims of future extreme weather in a state that's already covered billions in damages because of wildfires, droughts, and floods that were intensified by climate change. But for the oil industry, the courts aren't the proper venue to push back against the climate crisis.
Climate policy is for Congress to debate and decide, not the court system.
As Californians and communities around the globe are increasingly suffering from extreme weather and climate change, the number of lawsuits against oil companies and against big polluters are growing. According to the United Nations, climate-related court cases have doubled in the past 5 years, with the majority filed in the United States.